the candidates who are preparing for the UGC NET Electronic Science, it is a very good news to you to crack your JRF exam in the 2020. Why? Because the Unacademy launched the Electronic Science complete course for the UGC NET exam. So if you want to crack the JRF in this 2020, then definitely you have to take the subscription plan under this Unacademy. So coming to the subscription plan, you will be having the structured course and the interactive live classes will be there, and you will be having the live tests and the quizzes also will be there. So due to all these points, you are going to get a very good clarity in the conceptual way to clear your exam in a perfect way. So these are the subscription plans for 1 month 2100, and for the 3 months, 6 months and 12 months. So here the different subscription plans are there. So the candidates who wants to subscribe this complete course for the UGC NET Electronic Science, then you may subscribe here any one of these plan, and here the referral code is also there. So it is a referral code you have to use, that is Ashwini K, ASWINIK. So if you use this referral code, then you are going to get the total 10% discount on any one of this subscription plan. And now, while coming to the present content of the video, here one official public notice released by the University Grants Commissions. So this public notice is regarding the revision in the SWAYAM schedule in the wake of COVID-19 pandemic situation. So this is in continuation of the earlier UGC letter dated on 19th May 2020. So where the UGC has informed to schedule the 82 UG courses and 42 PG SWAYAM courses to all the vice chancellors of the universities and the principals of all colleges, and requested them to accept these MOOCs for credit transfer as per the UGC regulations 2016. Okay, so for these, whatever the UGC has informed to schedule about this 82 UG and the 42 PG courses, so this schedule is actually revised. So in this regard, I would like to inform that in wake of COVID-19 and as requested by the national coordinators of SWAYAM in the task force on integrated online education meeting of MHRD, the competent authority has approved the following. The end term procured examination for the January 2020 semester SWAYAM courses which were postponed would now to be held on 15th and 16th September 2020. This would be organized by the NTA. That means whatever the credit transfer based MOOC courses are there in the SWAYAM, that exam is going to be conducted by the NTA on 15th and 16th September 2020, mean the postponed from here, and the ongoing and pending activities scheduled for the July 2020 semester SWAYAM courses would be extended by the 45 days. And the revised time schedule for the activities are given below for the July 2020 semester. So the course starting date is till 14th September 2020, and the enrollment end date 14th October, and the course end date 14th December. Examination registration is 15th to the 30th November, and the hall ticket generation 15th to 20th December, and examination date is in December 2020 or January 2021. So these are the revised dates for the July 2020 semester. And exam result 1 month after the exam, and issue of the certificate 15 days after declaring the exam result. So if the particular date happens to be a holiday or Sunday, the next working day would be the date. And the universities and colleges are requested to kindly share the new schedule of the course as per mentioned above to all the students and faculty via email, phone, WhatsApp and other social media tool. Fine. So it is a notice given by the University Grants Commissions, that is Professor Rajneesh Jain, to all the vice chancellors of universities and the principal of colleges. So on behalf of UGC also, I am also sharing this notice to all of you. So the candidates who are planning to write this July 2020 semester on the basis of SWAYAM courses, please share this video to your friends or colleagues or to your students. So this information will be very helpful to them. And for more notifications like this, please subscribe the channel, and after subscribing, tap the bell icon. Thank you.